I made this 30-second commercial for about $4 without a single regeneration. Most AI video tools force you to roll dice 20 times to get one usable shot. But this is the first creator focused model where I can tell it put this character exactly here at second 7 and it just does it. So today I'm going to show you how I'm using SkyReels version 4 to move from just generating clips to actually directing them. SkyReels version 4 was recently ranked number 2 globally on the artificial analysis dashboard, replacing 3 different tools I usually need for generation, fixing shots and editing. The biggest hurdle for me has always been the character consistency. We have all been there. Your character changes faces every 2 shots. Doesn't matter what sort of prompts you use, but you still get different hairs, different eyes, sometimes even a different person entirely. And it's really infuriating. So let me just show you how I use SkyReels version 4 to solve all of these problems. So to start using SkyReels AI, simply just go to skyreels.ai or simply just click on the link in description, and after that you can just come here and then just sign up. Once you're signed up, you can find this dashboard in here. Now here you can find different options. The first option is of course text to video, where you can just like give a prompt and it will just generate a video for you. The second option is image to video, where you can just like transform images into dynamic videos with natural motion, camera movements and sound. But the third option is interesting. This is Omni reference. This is where you can just like provide an image, a video and audio references to control characters, styles and story across different scenes. So let's suppose I have this image of a girl. So this is an image and then I have this video as a reference. So I'm going to give an image as a reference and a video as a reference. So I can just tag this image with @ and then just like choose that particular image. Should mimic the facial expression and gestures of the woman singing in the video. So this is the woman. This is the scene from famous movie Frozen using the background of this person. So this is our exact prompt. So you can see we have tagged everything clearly, and now AI should be able to copy everything as we have explained in here. By using the asset reference, I'm basically telling the model exactly who to look at. And this was the first time that I could actually keep the same person across 5 different scenes without a single hallucination mid-shot. So let's just give it a prompt and let's just generate this and let's just see how it actually works. And there you go, you can see our video is ready and it has exactly replaced that character with this particular character with all the outfits and everything and exact lighting settings and all the face expressions, everything it copied from that reference video. So this was the reference video from Frozen and this is the video that we have got in here. So we have exactly just placed this character inside that video basically by just tagging the right assets and then like explaining in this way. Now it might still struggle if you ask for a radical costume change in the same prompt, but as you know, a character is only useful if they can talk. So usually lip sync is a nightmare when the mouth looks like a blurry filter added on top, but SkyReels handle the video and voice at the exact same time in one step. The dialogue and movement are perfectly locked. Here is another example. So in this scene there are 2 different characters and you can see, just have a look at the realistic quality of this video. By the way, it doesn't look AI generated at all. It looks very professional, very well directed. So let me just quickly play it.
Je présente la reine de toute façon, je adore partir sur la route là.
Vous jouez quoi?
De la guitare, du synth, elle fait le synth fort, piano.
Ah bon?
Amazing. So you can see the lip sync and the overall character movement, everything is just mind-blowing. And you can see it kept both voices distinct and consistent, which honestly still feels kind of insane to me. And if you're trying to tell a specific story, you need to see this timeline logged feature. I used to spend hours hitting generate over and over and hoping a person would walk on a screen at a right time. And for this commercial, I needed an object to appear at a precise moment. Now I can specify that an image appears at an exact second I want it. No more flickering or random scene changes. You can even drop in a storyboard grid and model follows your layout frame by frame. It is moving from hoping for the best to directing the shot. And here is where it finally saved me time on a deadline. Just last week I had a client ask to change a character's shirt color in the middle of a delivery. With my old workflow, that's like 4 hours of regenerating and compositing. But with SkyReels editing tool, I just selected the shirt and just swapped it. I uploaded that particular part of the video and then I uploaded the photo of the shirt and then I just tagged and then asked it to change this shirt with this particular one. The whole fix took literally just 6 minutes. And just check out this before and after. The motion is perfectly intact, but the subject is completely updated. So with this tool, you can swap clothing, remove a distracting logo, or even replace a subject entirely without breaking the physics of the clip. And the quality is sitting at a native 1080p with a smooth 32 frames per second. second, which finally removes that jittery plastic look that we are used to seeing in AI. And since we are not wasting money on 50 bad versions to get one good one, it is actually affordable to experiment. A high quality 15-second clip costs around $2. So stop playing the prompt lottery and start directing your content. I have put a link in description and the pinned comment that takes you directly to SkyReels.ai. Also, new users get free credits right now, so you can run your first build for free without spending a dime. So just go to SkyReels.ai, upload a reference image and try out that add feature as well, where you can tag a video or a photo and even audio as well, and that will entirely change your experience of generating videos using AI. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.